My name is Kaylin, and this is my personal statement video. Something that makes me unique is just being myself, and I feel like we all have some sort of, societal mold that we'd like to fit, but that just isn't what makes us ourselves. So I'm really proud to be unique in my own ways. I'd say that I'm a very organized person with a lot of determination and interpersonal skills, as well as great stress coping skills, and I think that's really important in the world we live in today. And even my current employer, friends, family, and peers would say the same. I'm motivated to get work done in the best way possible, and I think that shows in my everyday life as well, not just in the workplace or in school. And I'm a psychology major with a personal interest in the criminal justice system. I'd ideally love to work with youth in the system because I feel like this can be where they meet really impactful people, and it also can set up a better future for them, and just a better world in general for them to grow up in. And I also feel like you can learn a lot from kids and working with them, and sometimes I think that we need to listen to them a little bit more.